Following a 5-week trial for the founder and former CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty by a New York jury of defrauding his lenders and consumers. On March 28, 2024, a provisional sentencing date was established. Bankman-Fried may serve up to 115 years in jail. An appeal is probable. Defense lawyer Mark Cohen released a statement in which he said that while Bankman-Fried respects the jury's verdict, he still maintains his innocence and would vigorously fight the charges. The jury's deliberation started just after 3 p.m. ET. The judge announced that a decision had been made shortly before 7:40 p.m. Shortly after the lawyers and Bankman-Fried returned to the crowded courtroom, the guilty judgment was read out. Coincidentally, the year anniversary of the CoinDesk scoop that won an award and led to the former cryptocurrency mogul's demise occurred on the day the jury returned its guilty findings. The 31-year-old Bankman-Fried was detained in December of last year and put on trial for allegedly defrauding Alameda researchers, lenders, as well as FTX investors and clients.
ProShares, issuer of exchange-traded funds, announced the launch of the short Ether-linked ETF on November 2nd. This new strategy is set to start trading on the New York Stock Exchange ARCA under the ticker symbol SETH and is designed to provide investors with an opportunity to profit from the volatility and Ether's price. Similar to other ProShares crypto-linked ETFs, SETH seeks to obtain exposure through Ether future contracts, the announcement notes. According to ProShares CEO Michael Sapir, SETH aims to address the challenge of acquiring short exposure to ETH, which can be onerous and expensive. With today's launch of SETH, ProShares now offers investors opportunities to profit both on days when Ether increases and when it drops, all through the convenience of a traditional brokerage account, the CEO noted. SETH joins ProShares' series of other ETFs linked to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether. In October 2021, ProShares launched its Bitcoin Strategy ETF, one of the first Bitcoin-linked ETFs in the United States. The firm subsequently launched the Short Bitcoin Strategy ETF in June 2022, aimed at shorting Bitcoin following its drop below $20,000. Other ProShares crypto ETFs include the ProShares Ether Strategy ETF, Bitcoin and Ether Market Cap Weight Strategy ETF, and Bitcoin and Ether Equal Weight Strategy ETF.
Marathon Digital has started mining a Bitcoin using power generated from methane gas found off a landfill. The 280 kilowatt off-grid pilot project is operating in Utah, a landlocked state in the Mountain West sub-region of the western United States. Marathon teamed up with Nodal Power on the project. Nodal Power was launched in November 2022 and produces energy from landfill gas in the southern eastern United States and Texas. It raised $13 million in a seed round in August to operate 2 sites, one of which includes a data center. Marathon Digital said in a statement that the project is a part of a broader initiative being conducted by the company to validate its ability to capture methane emitted from landfills, convert it into electricity, and then use that electricity to power Bitcoin miners. Marathon CEO Fred Thiel said Bitcoin miners are actively seeking new green generating solutions. Genesis Digital Assets Limited, for example, set up an 8 megawatt facility in Sweden in August that uses hydropower. Marathon cut the ribbon on a 200 megawatt immersion cooled facility in Abu Dhabi's sustainable Masdar city in late October. It reported second quarter earnings this year fell short of expectations, despite the fact that it mined a record 2,926 Bitcoin in the quarter. Its quarter two revenue increased 228% year on year to $132.8 million. That's it in today's special segment. For more such updates, follow 3.0TV or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.